Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make shooter game using Scratch. So I'll change this. Then I'll change this into a square. No, triangle. I'll move it like this. I'll change its color to green, just because. I'll also give it an outline size of like 10. No, that looks ugly. 5. Next, I'll make it bullets. Since I'm lazy, I'll just make the bullets to be tiny versions of it. These are the bullets. Now we want it to be able to move left and right. But it won't be controlled by the keyboard, it'll be controlled by the mouse. Go to X. X is the mouse X. And the Y stays constant. And now, if then, mouse down, create a clone of sprite 2, which is the bullet. And now what I want is when this starts as a clone, first it will show. You want to hide this. Then it will go to the sprite 1, and then it will go to the backward layer, so it'll be behind sprite 1, so everything would look weird. Then after that, I want this to move up. Repeat until touching the edge. Change Y by 10. And if it's touching the edge, then delete the clone. Now we're able to shoot. So now I'm going to make the enemies. The first one is going to be a giant circle. Make the enemy. That'll be going to be a giant circle thing. Blue. Now just copy the code from here to here. And now this will be changed by -10 instead. When flag clicked, forever, wait 20 seconds and I create a clone of myself. So I'm going to change this y by -10. Oops, it won't go to sprite 1. I want it to go to the y 140. The x outside is to a random number from -197.0 to 196.0. I'll make this to be slower, and I'll make a local variable called HP, which is the health of all of the balls. When they start, it will set HP to 10. If I change this to or HP is less than 1, if then touching the bullet, the HP will reduce by 1. Only that. Set ghosts to like 40. If not touching sprites 2, set ghosts to 0. Oops, I want to create a separate clone thing. If then touching sprites 2, set the ghost effect to 40. With 0.1 second, then set the ghost effect to 0. I'll change this to or touching sprite 3, which is the enemy. I'll change their health from pick random 13 to 5. I said which was seconds. I'll make it pick random 1 to, let's see, 1/3 of a second, or it's approximately 1/3 of a second. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, Obacode. Bye.